Hello everyone, this is Moss and I welcome you to my channel Nomadic Investing. If you're looking to start investing or want to upgrade your current investment strategy, this video is for you. Today, we are reviewing and comparing the top 3 investment apps you need to know about in 2024. We'll highlight the features, benefits, and what makes each app stand out. Make sure to watch till the end to find the perfect app for your investment needs. Let's jump right in. For our first investment app is Robinhood. Robinhood is a pioneer in commission-free trading. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. Let's discuss few key features of Robinhood. 1. Commission-free trading. Buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying any fees. 2. Fractional shares. Invest in your favorite companies with as little as $1. 3. Easy-to-use interface. Simple, intuitive design that's great for new investors. Robinhood also offers a premium account called Robinhood Gold. Gold account provides access to research reports and margin trading. A second investment app, Acorns. Acorn is perfect for those who want to invest spare change automatically. It's a great way to start investing without even noticing it. Some key features of Acorns app are: 1. Round ups. Automatically invest your spare change from everyday purchases. 2. Automated investing. Acorns builds and manages your portfolio based on your goals. 3. Found money. Earn cash back from select brands and have it invested directly into your account. 4. Retirement AA accounts. Open an IRA and start saving for retirement with ease. Acorns offers a seamless way to grow your investments over time with minimal effort. Last but not least, third investment app, Webull. Webull is an excellent choice for more advanced investors. It offers robust tools and features for in-depth analysis and trading. Webull's key features are: 1. Advanced charting tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, and analysis tools for informed trading decisions. 2. Commission-free trading. Trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying any fees. 3. Extended hours trading. Access pre-market and after-hours trading. 4. Paper trading. Practice your strategies with virtual money before investing real capital. Webull's comprehensive platform makes it ideal for those who want to take their investing to the next level. So, which investment app is right for you? Let's summarize. Robinhood is best for beginners who want commission-free trading and a simple interface. Acorns is great for those who prefer automated investing and want to invest spare change. Webull is perfect for advanced investors who need detailed analysis tools and extended trading hours. Each of these apps offer unique features to cater to different investment needs. Choose the one that fits your strategy and start growing your wealth today. These were the top 3 investment apps, in my opinion, which you need to know about in 2024. Please do share any other investment apps which feel like are the best to use in the comments below. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your investing game, these apps have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications on more investment tips and strategies. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.